In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user calendar settings in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-book calendar that fits your workflow, whether you're running classes or one-to-one appointments. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to Settings. You'll find it from your main dashboard, and inside Settings, you'll see the Calendars area. This is where all your booking tools live, and it's the best place to create, manage, and organize calendars for your team. Make sure you're in the correct location or workspace before proceeding, so the calendar is created where you actually need it. Next, click New Calendar. This starts a guided setup that keeps everything structured. Creating a new calendar here ensures your availability, notifications, and bookings are kept separate from any existing calendars you might already be using. When the template options appear, choose Class Booking for this example. Class Booking is designed for sessions where multiple attendees can reserve the same time, such as workshops, group training, or webinars. If your business focuses on groups, this template will save you time because it's pre-configured with group-friendly defaults. You can still customize details later as your needs evolve. Now add a calendar name. Pick a clear, descriptive title that your team and your clients will understand at a glance. For instance, use something like Weekly Beginner Class or Yoga Level 1, Evenings. A specific name makes it easier to track performance and reduces confusion if you manage several calendars. Select a team member to assign to this calendar. This determines who owns the bookings and who receives notifications. Assigning the right person helps with accountability and makes reporting straightforward. If your team changes or responsibilities shift, you can always revisit this setting and update the owner later. Set the meeting duration. Choose a time block that matches the real length of your session, including any quick wrap-up you typically need. Common choices are 30, 45, or 60 minutes, but for group classes, you might prefer longer blocks. The key is to pick a duration that keeps your schedule accurate and avoids unplanned overlaps. When everything looks good, click Confirm. This saves your calendar and adds it to your list. From here, you can see it alongside your other calendars, and it's ready for you to refine further if needed. You can return any time to adjust details as your schedule changes. That's it. You've set up user calendar settings in GoHighLevel by creating a new calendar, selecting the class booking template, naming it clearly, assigning the right team member, setting a smart duration, and confirming your setup.